Hey my loves, assalamu alaikum. Let's make this juicy roasted chicken with perfectly seasoned baby potatoes. Let's get started. For the marinade in a bowl, I have some pepper, ginger, garlic and onions. I will transfer everything into my blender. Add 1 full spoon of vegetable oil, then blend until smooth. Once it's nice and smooth, I will transfer it back into the bowl. Add a pinch of salt and some seasoning cubes. Then mix everything until well combined. Set aside for later. Next, I have my already washed carrot and potatoes. I have peeled the carrot, but I left the skin on the potatoes. Now I will cut them into my preferred size. Transfer that back into the bowl and set them aside. In another bowl, I have my clean chicken. I will season it with salt and my seasoning mix, then rub it all over the chicken to make sure every part is well coated. I forgot to buy disposable gloves, so I am using my clean hands. Now I will spoon the pepper marinade over the chicken and spread it evenly on both sides. Once that is done, I will cover it with cling film and let it marinate for 30 minutes. I will also add the remaining marinade to the carrot and potatoes. Toast everything together until well coated. Then cover and let them marinate for 30 minutes as well. After 30 minutes, it's time to bake. I will place the marinated chicken on a foil-lined baking tray using my kitchen tongs. Then arrange the marinated carrots and potatoes around it. This goes into a preheated oven and I will roast it for 1 hour. I will sprinkle some oil . And here is the final result. Look at that beautiful color. I will lightly brush the chicken and potatoes with a little oil to give them a lovely glossy finish. Doesn't that look absolutely mouth-watering? It's time to serve. This roasted chicken is juicy, tender and packed with flavor. While the potatoes and carrot are perfectly roasted, I hope you give this a try. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next recipe. Bye.